Welcome everybody, and we're going to do a driving tour of Gaylord Palms Convention Center and Resort in Kissimmee, Florida. This is us driving in from International Drive, and we just wanted to show you because this is the longest route, and this is oftentimes the side that people come in the most. This side, if you come in on it and you went left instead of right, will actually take you to a parking garage that's on the opposite side of where the convention center is. So this is why we want to show you how to drive in. If you're coming from International Drive, you're going to take this and you'll see that you're actually going to pass the front of the hotel from here. Coming up on our left-hand side will be the big Gaylord Palms sign and the valet parking. If you can see right there, that entrance is actually Osceola Parkway, so you can come in from that way as well, and then you'll just make a right. And we're going to pass where it has the spa sign and the Old Hickory restaurant sign. You're going to come through here, and there is going to be a gate up ahead. When you go to this gate, you're just going to grab your ticket to get in. This is your parking ticket. If you are staying the night at Gaylord Palms Hotel, the parking cost is going to be on your room. So you can get in and out of this gate using your key card once you've checked in with the hotel. If you're only coming for the day and not staying the night at Gaylord Palms, you will need to get a card that has 50% off your parking so that when you leave, you hand it to the attendant there and hand them the 50% discount, and they will lower your parking for that day. You get this card from the SewMagicalExpo check-in desk. This here is the bus loop place if you want to unload a bunch of things and walk through some doors. If you watch our walking tour of Gaylord Palms, we show you where that bus loop walkway is. And up here, you can park along the side. All this is part of the convention parking. As you can see, if you do have a trailer or any sort of large vehicle, there is room. This is a fairly large size parking lot. The cones shouldn't be there when we arrive, but even if they are, there's lots of space still. And you'll see up ahead, there's a big white tent. That is actually part of ICE. That is going to be open at Gaylord Palms in the middle of November through December. To the left there is a parking garage. It's only one story, so there's only one level that you can park on down here. Our truck barely made it through, but we did it. There's lots of room once you get in it. It's fairly high. It's just getting through that little barrier. If you look straight ahead, there is one spot there that has an electric charger. However, there's more up at the front of the garage. So in here, there's actually quite a bit of parking space in here as well. And this is the closest parking that you can get to walking into the convention center. Right here in front of us is the remaining electric chargers that you can hook up to. And then straight ahead is where that walkway is that you see on the walking tour video where we walk in and it says Convention Center. So this is the absolute closest parking.
Follow us on all of our social media platforms to stay engaged and up to date.